Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got these butterfly Norvina inspired nails, so just keep watching. I start with ballerina press-on tips. I got new nail stands and some mounting putty to hold the nails, some gel polish from Makar, and some Beetles base gel and top gel, some decals from Nail by Christy, a file and a buffer, some little scissors, and some tweezers. So like always, you guys are gonna file the nails, the top and the sides, and then you're also gonna take the buffer and buff away the shininess, I guess, from the nail. Dusting off all of the little white particles that come off, and we're gonna start with some base gel, and we're gonna put that on all 10 of the tips, and then we're gonna put it in the UV lamp for 1 minute. We're gonna use this, it's like an orange yellow, I don't even know what the exact color is. It doesn't have a name. I got it from Amazon, and I'm gonna put 2 coats of this. So I'm gonna do the first one and then put it in the UV lamp for 1 minute, and then I'm gonna do another coat and then put it in the UV lamp for another minute, and then we'll put the butterflies on. Alright, after the all 10 have a second coat of gel polish, we're going to put the butterflies on. They do sit in that little cup of water for 20 seconds. I just didn't film and leave in the 20 seconds of waiting because I feel like that's pointless. But the decals do sit in there for 20 seconds, and then when you take them out, you just push it up. See how I just slide it up? Comes right off, and you place it on the nail. Once all the decals are on, we're gonna put top coat on there. And then those go in the UV lamp for a minute, and then I start on the other hand. And then finish that one up with top gel and then put it in the UV lamp for a minute. And that is how I made them. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.